Barbecue, barbecue. Bon and Paula was the one putting this one, honey. It absorbs good. You have all the way there?
Yes, pretty much.
I have a corn also, hon.
Well, I don't know about corn now, but
Okay, hold on. I will get the. Just put on the side. Ayun na ng isa dong. Half na naman. Oh, di maigo. A good be? Silawan na to be? Mag-live punta po ka sa imong kuan dong. Nadaluto ni mo ba? Pang-reels ka na. Makakuha na po kuma.
Kaya naka-pay out na ka. So, ka
$53.
Nagkasukan na ka tayo?
Yeah, na. Iditso nila sa bangko. Murag-turnik lagi.
Asa ka tayo isod sa ref na eh? O wala.
Ayaw, di na masudo.
Ano
Ako
lang?
na ng tabunan. Ako ra.
ano na ba yung marker din? Are you apart?
But, like, moral, sani pantalan.
Bahay pa daw matalan. Then, basta saan po sila.
Straight naman. Straight na sila. Hi, Gigi Palard. Si Paula o si Bon. Tara. Sorry. Ikso ni Gwen Daryl Salazar. Bisita rin ko ano. Ako diha dong may.
Kalisa rin. Ang kamay mo ka.
Ako ra na tabunan unya. Buta ra rin na ako tabunan. Ari ra. Ako rin tabon. Maigo na kang rice, ma?
Anawa sa, yung bukad na. Ano silang siya? Maraming tudtod.
Ha?
Pwede siya.
Oo ka?
Ibuta lang sila doon. Sakto na tingalin na, eh. Nagka na tingalin na.
One yung bowl. Ay, one. Pwede na naman buwan na to.
Okay na to?
Basig di mo kaon si Scarlett aning hotdog.
Hindi niya makawan.
Kung sa may iya ha, uy, ginoo. Biko na kay ko.
Unsa to ma?
Bataan ni, uy.
Mana? Ikaw
Di jud mapugos nimo ha.
Gilak.
Kuan mo lagi ni.
Di na naman mukha.
Kung sa may imong ipakaon niya.
Balik ra.
Unsa to?
Spam bacon. Alam niyo to.
Eh,
Dagmay ta na.
Wa mo kung kapalit og spam na ipalit ka.
Sige ra.
Baby girl. Get a spam for
Ayaw ra kami na niya. Later.
namura. Wa man po kamo ingon bacon ra kung nailuduman.
rice diha.
Ihatag sa din ni Ernest sa side ra dong.
Dire?
Butang ra sa side.
Ano sa mga puston? Puston?
Di ari ra. Ako iputos kay ni basig na pailangaw. Anong impalit pa makawater nga na may kuwan?
May
Refill. Baka ng kuwan ba?
I want to try water. Direct pan ha. Ay, direct.
Tara adto tagawas ta.
Tingtog na ha. Hinayan.
Okay, everybody get your asses back to work.
Ay.
Ako ra.
Kana mo ate. Wala tong. Lip. Pwede na eh?
Yeah.
Or chopstick
Oh,
na.
kana pwede po. Duha araman na yaman tingali isa na.
Wala.
Ngare na isa.
We're gonna get the other table there, honey.
You don't need no table, man.
Oh, napuno naman Judy in
We ain't
town.
digging all that stuff back, drag that table out. Forget
Okay.
it. So just forget it, huh?
Mhm.
I don't
Wa-
think it's
wa-
quite ready yet, Bon. It might
Wa
be.
pa na do. Magkisi-kisi sa ta sa atong tiil ani. Unsa man na?
I'm telling you one thing, you better come
Ah.
out of here right there with them shorts on, them mosquitoes gonna eat y'all up.
I know. Pag nga raman ma.
Ay, dila mo ka.
Oh, labong na ay mga kasagingan.
Okay.
I don't think I got enough charcoal on it, Bon.
Raman to uy.
They're gonna gnaw on y'all's legs, man. Y'all gonna be swelled up. You guys are bad out here, because Maryland got this place looking like the jungle of Southeast Asia, right?
Jungle sometime.
What's it?
Your song.
What? You got it, Don?
Yeah.
Here you go, bro. Look. Here's the best. Yeah, I thought he was gonna do that.
I think the
Sunog na na.
honey, I think
Oil.
the foil is not that
Yeah,
good.
it's not all that good. It's better than
Kana
diesel.
bitong kuan?
Direct di ay.
Paula said, honey, put it direct. Because I know it's clean also.
No, it's rust.
But you already brushed it, right?
Yeah, but still.
Give me that one, butang. Put it here.
Come out of here. Hang on the side finger.
Nasunog na muna. Kuwad na, kuwad tayo sa katong.
Bi ako ra ba?
That is freaking hot.
Yeah.
Normally don't do this. Fingers.
Nari.
Sing, sing, song.
I never buy those things. They just don't look right. Them pork chops do not look right. Go on out here real bad, so. Normally they don't do that.
Where's the lontong, honey?
These little ones that's doing it. Those go down. Let me get that. You put a little bit that stuff on it. It's sticking so bad. My bad, guys. All right.
No, that's good. All good in the hood.
What do you think, Paul? You think we'll turn this one over?
Not yet.
Not yet. See, this side ain't quite as hard as this side. Watch this side, 'cause it's gonna cook quick. Yeah, that's just burned. You ain't gotta worry about that. I don't think that's far as we grill.
I think I saw a brush. The meaning of the cha-cha-cha.
That's going, Bob. Let's get a couple over there.
What's the name?
Got it? Paula?
Yeah. The other thumb, I don't know where, but it should be good.
It's all right, I got this, guys. Y'all go here.
Ah. It's very hot.
Well, them mosquitoes gonna eat you up. You picking that corn up with your fingers, you'll get burned here, then you'll come out of there. Won't you? Come out of there before you get burned.
We can put this one out on the side, honey.
Check one of those, Paul, and sit there cooked. Because they're thin. They look like they might be pretty close to cooked. But I don't like those little things.
Gitabang.
Very good, y'all. I don't like the suckers.
The what?
The little old pork chops. I like them big pork steaks.
Tilaw sa tabi. Sige, tilaw.
You
Tilaw
gonna
sa
get ate
tabi.
up, Paul. Yeah, it's gonna get ate up.
Lami lagi na imong kwintas, ma.
Can clip?
Gikan pa ni sa Pilipinas?
Yeah.
You good,
No.
Paul?
Ngayon kayong isa.
Oh, that's nice.
18 karat. Paluwagan na ni Annalie humamoy.
Oh?
Like, sa HNU pa ko, bisag akong sweldo sa 15,000. Mahog ko 1.5
Pila.
per month. 15,000 ako sweldo. Paluwagan pa dyan ko gold.
What looks good?
It's okay.
Here.
Karon kay ni times
Mm-hmm.
times 2 na actually price.
Times 2 nag-price.
Yeah.
Honey, Boone put ketchup.
Huh?
It really tastes good. Amo aro kay asin ug bitsin dong. Ah, bitsin. Asin na magpaminta.
Minta.
Nya lemon da sa.
Mo anak dapat mo Bisaya nga ko ah.
Pero lami ni kay kuan na absorb.
What?
It's really absorbed the taste.
You can put more here, oh.
Mm. Nang humot na rin na pita, oh. Gaya.
Watch that, man.
Go in the other side, honey.
What if at the magbaligi ay magsugba sa gawas na ano yung palit? Pwede ra?
I don't think so. Okay lang mga Pilipino tingali, pero mga Amerikano di.
What's that?
Now what I'm trying to say is we grill in front, and then just like in the Philippines, they're gonna buy.
Gonna do what?
They're gonna buy if somebody will,
Oh,
we will
yeah,
put
yeah,
up
yeah.
there
Like in
outside.
the Philippines, you're gonna cook in front of your house, and then they're gonna buy.
Yep.
You think that's cool?
Pila na kilo dito dong sa atua?
Baboy?
Baboy?
150.
350?
150?
350.
Oh, 350? Huy!
Say huy. Pila di
Oh.
ay.
Oh, pila man to sa una di ay 100 man to ka.
Gabi apog ka oy. Kay kanig.
Yan eh, mahimo na ning 25 pesos.
Dili ka ni? Kuha ni? Mga
Swinta?
120 siguro ni isa.
Oh, really? Wow.
150.
Day po doy mga 80, 85. 85 lagi.
Katong sa ka-chicken?
Lang yan ni.
I haven't heard the alarm go off on the car, so what you're going to have to do when y'all get out of the car, don't automatically lock it. Just walk around and manually lock the doors
Okay.
on the car.
This one more na.
But I'll get a chance to pop that hood and see if I can find a fuse to it. I wanted to cut the grass before we did this cookout, but that didn't get happen.
Jaden was, honey, we get a good big smile. But I'm scared if, you know, if you will push it because it's just only in the waist, the strap.
Unsa man?
Jaden. Adlock
Ah,
lang.
katong trap. Ay,
Y'all want me to get over there and help y'all finish cooking yet?
I think, honey, you